Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn fast, inspired by Dhruv Rathee's approach. Start by grasping the fundamental ideas of any subject. Then, dissect larger topics into smaller, digestible segments. This makes complex information less daunting. Always question what you are learning to build a deeper understanding. This active engagement is key to efficient knowledge acquisition. A crucial step is thorough research and fact-checking. Always verify information from several reliable sources. Cross-referencing helps confirm accuracy and provides a more complete picture. It's also important to recognize and challenge your own biases. This critical approach ensures you build knowledge on a solid, objective foundation, much like a seasoned journalist. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling great. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once you have the information, structure it logically. Organize your notes and thoughts to create a clear narrative. This helps connect different ideas and makes the material easier to recall. Practice explaining complex concepts in simple, understandable terms. If you can teach it to someone else, you truly understand it. To truly learn fast, active recall is essential. Regularly test yourself on the material you've studied. Don't just reread, try to retrieve information from memory. Incorporate spaced repetition into your study routine to reinforce memory over longer periods. Consistent review of your notes and summaries will solidify your understanding and retention.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.